Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a couple of GMC Terrains and I will show you the location of the block heater plug. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I live in a cold climate, and when selling these vehicles, people always ask me where is the block heater, because they expect the cord to be hanging out somewhere from under the hood or from the grille. But these vehicles have it a bit differently. They have a built-in block heater in the lower grille. So I will show you the location of the plug and which kind of cable you need. Okay, so if you look at the lower front grille, you will see like a small plug right here. Just open up this cover and here is your plug for the block heater. Now unfortunately you can't plug in any kind of cable. You need a special GM cable to use your block heater, which came with this vehicle when it was purchased new. If you purchase this vehicle used, the previous owner is supposed to give you this cable. If you don't have it, I will now show you this cable and the part numbers so you can buy it for yourself. Okay, and this is the GM cable you would need. So I will show you one side. It's gonna plug into the vehicle, and this side is actually the problem because only this specific GM cable can fit, and then the other plug just plugs into the normal outlet, right? Like for example, on Ford you can use any kind of extension cord, like on Ford Edge for example, but on these ones you need this special cable. I'm not sure what's the price of it from a GM dealer. It's around $100 or $150 probably, so yeah. And this right here, this is the part numbers. So if you type in this number to Google, if you Google it, you should find this cable, and hopefully you'll even find the used one somebody selling on eBay or something like that, or your third option is getting one from a used car salvage or car wreckers. But this is the part number for the block heater cord. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.